Fais de Mojito pour mon amoureux monsieur. J'aime bien son regard quand elle est un peu ivre. Et pour mon café, pas trop sucré, car tout le monde est assez doux grâce à elle. Y'a pas de cigare qui évoque comment son sourire. Alors ne gaspille pas le temps pour me présenter. Les peintures murales et les graffitis, elles ont perdu la couleur devant ma fille. L'amour ne finit pas, les soucis sont disparus. Là où tu es, solitude sans fruit, conseiller en fait, comme lettre d'amour. Dans de la ville et pour le ciel. Quand la lampe s'allume, on marche à fond. C'est la plus jolie danse en Dieu de ce monde. Écoute mon bébé, c'est toujours le chanson. Je veux danser avec toi à ce moment. Le parfum vient de tes cheveux longs. Je veux avec toi passer la vie lentement, yeah. Tu s'allonges sur le transat, le soleil est dans le visage. Je crois que c'est dans ce monde le plus beau paysage. Un verre de Mojito pour mon amoureux monsieur. J'aime bien son regard quand elle est un peu ivre. Et pour mon café, pas trop sucré, le monde est assez doux grâce à elle. L'amour ne finit pas, les soucis sont disparus. Là où tu es, solitude sans fruit. On s'est enfer comme lettre d'amour. Dans de la ville et pour le ciel. Quand la lampe s'allume, on marche à fond. C'est la plus jolie danse en Dieu de ce monde. Plus jolie danse en Dieu de ce monde.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Mojito 2023. Let me face in the mirror. First section we start with the right foot. We're gonna do the rumba pass with the shuffle. So right foot, side, together, right foot, forward, shuffle, and left foot, side. Together and back shuffle, back shuffle. Okay, section with count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the second section, you start with the right foot, do the rock back, recover, and then right foot go shuffle, cha, cha, cha. And then we do the baby cold turn right, the step, cold turn, and left foot do the cross shuffle, cross, side, cross. Okay, this section was count, so I put a cha-cha back. We are in that. I put 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the third section, we do the side rock, recover, behind side cross twice. So right foot, side rock, recover, right foot, behind side cross. Again, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Okay, the third section was count, so I put a cross shuffle. It starts the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the last section, you start with the right foot, do the rocking jump, front, center, back, center, and then move the right foot to the side. We're gonna do 4 sway. You do the sway, 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 sway. The last one, you also bring your right foot. Okay, the last section was count, so after your third section, behind side cross, start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I put everything together with count. Start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, contact. It will happen at end of wall 5. Okay, let me face it a bit when you do the head together. So first section, you do the right foot, stop the right foot, do the limpy step. So side, shuffle, okay, recover, side, shuffle, okay, recover. Okay, the section will come 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, we're going to do 2 diagonal 4 shuffle. So start with the left foot, cha, 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 left foot, cha, cha, cha. And then 2 pivot quarter turn left. So totally it's a half turn, step, quarter, step, quarter. Okay, this section is come. So the second section starts with the right foot, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, we're gonna do the New Yorker with a quarter turn right. You do the cross, recover, cha, cha, turn. And then let's do the ruffle, recover, right foot, coaster, step. Okay, the section was come. So start with the right foot, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then the last section, you start with the right foot, do the jazz pass, cross, back, side, pull, and similar, we do for sway, sway, right, left is the free. Okay, the final section is come. So after your right recover, coaster step, start with the right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put everything together with come, so right foot, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then just regular walk from the top to the back side. Together, check, 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 side, together.